Good morning and welcome to the daily weather operations brief. Starting us off today, seeing a few clouds streaming in overhead in the mid and upper levels, expecting that to be the case for the remainder of the afternoon and into tomorrow morning. Seeing light winds, light and variable as of current, with a temperature sitting around 71, 72 degrees and climbing. Should be a very nice day out there today, similar to yesterday. And if we take a look at the current radar, we can see we are clear of any precipitation in the local region here and even off to our west. So not really anticipating anything streaming across the area today, aside from some very slight chances of showers, but overall pretty low probabilities of such. Taking a look at this morning surface analysis chart here, we can see that a broad area of high pressure is sitting overhead this morning. That is bringing us these mostly clear skies and comfortable seasonal temperatures. And as we move through the afternoon, we're going to see that high drifting eastwards and eventually pushing offshore. And once it does, we'll see those winds much more prominently shift to be out of the south-southeast, and we'll see a slight upwards tick in those overall velocities or magnitudes of that wind, and we'll start seeing a bit more humidity work back into the region. Although even given that slight bump in moisture, the combination of the overarching dry air mass and high pressure along with weaker winds aloft should keep us dry for the rest of the day. And again, even though that moisture is going to see a slight increase, it's still going to be quite comfortable for this time of the year. As for our current weather observations out on the field, we do have a scattered layer at 6,000 feet and a scattered layer 25,000 plus, unrestricted visibility, winds light and variable as of current, with a temperature climbing into the 70s. We have a relative humidity around 85%. And looking on our most recent satellite pass here, seeing plenty of clear skies here, mostly clear skies, light upper level clouds streaming across the region. Again, expecting that to remain the case for the rest of the day, with the models all indicating an overarching dry trend for the next 24 hours. Some slight reflectivity blips throughout the mid-Atlantic, but again, looking to be dry. And that is reflected here on the 24-hour outlook for Wednesday in our working hours, seeing partly cloudy skies, plenty of sunshine. We'll see mostly clear skies overnight, with temperatures rising during the day into the low 80s and dropping to the low 70s. And for our winds, starting off light and variable, we'll see those winds pick up out of the south, turning to be southeasterly as that high pressure moves offshore. Overall, looking at a green chart here for the next 24 hours, aside from a very slight chance of a light shower by tomorrow morning, right around sunrise. For the short-term outlook, to round up our daily weather brief here on Thursday, looking at mostly cloudy conditions, slight chance of scattered showers and thunderstorms, and a high around 83. Thursday night, partly to mostly cloudy and a slight chance of once again seeing scattered showers and thunderstorms. We may also see some brief periods of low-level cloud cover or reduced visibility, with a low of about 72. And for Friday, we see elevated rain chances, maybe even seeing or hearing a rumble of thunder, and a high of about 85, with winds still remaining unproblematic or appearing to remain unproblematic, although with any convection could see a gust up above 25, but overarching looks to be rather tame as far as those winds go. Now that's going to conclude the daily weather operations brief. Hope everyone has a wonderful rest of their day, and we'll be back at 10 o'clock with the 7-day outlook.